This is my first Sisterlock Updo, and I'm so proud of myself. And I just wanted to share it with everyone. So please continue to watch and see how I accomplish this look. In addition to that, I'd like to say thank you to my subscribers. The subscribers have increased, and I want to say thank you to my new subscribers as well as my old subscribers. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Now let's see how I accomplish this look. Okay, good morning. I don't know where this is going this morning, but we're going to see. I'm going to try to put my hair up in what the loose naturals would call a protective style. So I'm protecting my Sisterlocks today. We'll see. I'm not even going to check to see if that is parted correctly in the back. I'm just going to run with it. I'm trying to make sure that this side stays back. I'm going to do a flat twist up. Well, it seems to look good enough right now. I'm going to use one of my trusty goodie clips just to keep that where it belongs. Just bear with me. Let's see where this takes us. I need to check this out. think that looks kind of cute. Now, girl, what are you going to do with this front? Well, I have this going on right here. So let's see about this. Now, if you know me, you know that all this gray is not going to stay in my hair because I have my trusty L'Oreal Magic Root Cover-Up. So here we go. And I'm taking this from here because it's already served its purpose. I'm going to do a 360 and you tell me what you think about this hairstyle. My first updo with Sisterlocks. I think I like it. I know I like it. Okay, I want you to do is to help me build this channel. I want you to share my video. I want you to like this video. And I want you to comment on this video. How do you like this hairstyle? Tell me all about it. Thank you guys. And thank you for those who've subscribed and you continue to be loyal supporters. Thank you.